Greetings, everyone. I hope you're doing well and you all are already enjoying the scholarship season. Today I actually came across with another European fully funded scholarship, which is from Italy. So, they are actually offering multiple degree programs at multiple universities for multiple subject types. So, I thought you should also apply for it because there is no application fee and you don't need higher GP or higher IELTS or other requirements for that. Even they are accepting applications without IELTS exams as well. You just need to submit the English proficiency certificate or the medium of instruction letter, and you'll get IELTS exemption for most of the courses which they are offering. Getting back to the program, so this is actually called DSU Toscana Scholarship. So this is actually being offered at multiple Italian universities right now. So the name of the universities, such as like the University of Florence, University of Siena, or University of Pisa, and some other institutes as well. You might be wondering what kind of programs they're offering. They're basically offering all kind of programs such as the bachelor's degree, master's degree, single cycle master's degree for law, medicine, or architecture, and they're also offering PhD research projects or PhD programs as well. So if you're interested, then I am going to explain in this video like what kind of documents you would need and how you can submit your application and what would be the deadline. Let's first talk about the benefits of the scholarship, which actually include the cash allowance that actually will be paid directly into your bank account once you'll get enrolled in the university of your chosen or preferred University of Italy. And you will also get free of cost accommodation at the dormitory. Meals might also be covered, and your stipend that you might receive under this scholarship will be 100% tax free, so you don't need to worry about it at all. So now let's talk about how you can actually submit your application for this program. So for that, the first thing is like the list of documents that you actually need to apply for this scholarship. And the first one is obviously your passport, which must have at least 6 months of validity remaining before you consider applying. And with that, you also need a family income certificate from your local authorities and get it translated into Italian language if required by the university. And then you might also need your family's global income certificate. And you can get its pro forma from your university. I mean, like from the chosen university where you will be submitting your application in Italy. They will provide you the template or the format of that. So with that, you also need all your academic transcripts as well as your diploma certifications, and you need to make sure that you also sign the DSU's financial declaration form, which is actually available on the site. And I'll leave the link and application procedures, in the description of this video, so that if you feel confused, then you can even leave the comments or just check the link that I've left, and you can just get all the information that you need to apply for this scholarship. Now let's talk about like how you can actually submit your application, right? So once you have all these documents ready with you, so the next process is to find an eligible program, degree level or subject, where which you want to undertake. So at a preferred Italian university. I'll leave the link again in the description where all these universities are mentioned. So you can just find your preferred university and get all your documents ready and just submit your application at DSU Toscana Student Help Desk. Its link is also available at my article. Okay, so if you feel any issues with that, you can leave a comment, and I'll send you the new link or the fresh link in case if it doesn't work. So this is the simplest procedure. through which you can submit your application. All you need is your documents, and then just find your preferred university and check your programs, and then submit your application at DSU's Toscana Student Help Desk. And after that, your application will be processed by them. They might invite you for an interview, or they might just email you the admission or selection or offer letter that you can later on accept or decline. So with that, we can also talk about like till when you can actually apply for this scholarship, which is like the deadline of the scholarship. So basically, if you're opting for a bachelor's or a master's degree, then you have to hurry up because the deadline is September 7th, 2026. Okay. So, but in case if you're opting for a PhD or doctoral degree program or a research project, then you still have time till mid of November to apply or submit your applications for DSU Toscana Scholarship. Okay, and let me check if I have missed anything. No, I guess like I told you each and everything about the scholarship, and if you are now interested, then just feel free to submit your application, and good luck. Take care.